Good day everyone. I'm here to I'm here to explain about this network architectural design. First, I will first I will read also the problem that are given to me. You are a network engineer tasked with designing a small office network that connects three departments. The departments are HR, IT, and sales. Each department has two computers, one is wired and one is wireless, and a printer, and needs access to wireless server and printers. You must also create a separate wireless network with a, with a three mobile phones connected to a router to act as a free Wi-Fi for the customer lodge. The password of all the routers must be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. And I will explain to you the flow of this network design. First, I will explain to you the switch. The switch this the switch is a central networking device that connects a multiple device piece like PCs, printers, servers, and etc. within the LAN. It is uses internal cable to connect and device like PCs and printers. To ensure efficient data communication, routers, these wireless routers or the WRTN 300N, like BBQ2 and BBU, are wireless routers provided Wi-Fi connectivity to an earlier device like PCs and smartphones. This device enable wireless communication, can also connected to the wired network via internet. Server. This server. This is a device could hosting various services such as file storage, application hosting, or network management. And device. Um, and end device like PCs. This different groups of pieces are categorized by their department like HR, IT, and sales. These are via internet to the central switch for the communication. Uh, they're the, they are connected connected for the switch. Printers, HR printers, IT printers, sales printers, large printers are dedicated printers for each department or area. These are directly connected to the switch or a network router, making them accessible to multiple devices. Smartphone. This Smartphone 0, Smartphone 1, Smartphone 2. These are wireless devices connected to the Wi-Fi network provided by the router. Connectivity and functionality. A wired connection. The switch is the backbone of the wired network. All internet connections from PCs and printers are routed through it. The FAO/6 port on the switch connects the wireless router BabyCo2 for the internet access or enter networking. The wireless connection. Wireless routers, wireless routers connectivity to smartphone and potentially laptops or other device in the network. Baby Kuto, Baby Kuto routers link to the central wired network, bridging the wireless and wired segments. Possible possible use of cases like departmental network segmentation. Each department has its own device, like PCs and printers, which could be logically segmented using VLANs. This ensures data isolation and better network performance. Centralized printer and file sharing. The printers and the server, these two devices, are accessible to all departments. These departments, HR, IT, and sales department, for efficient resources sharing. Wireless access. Smartphones and other wireless devices can connect to the network for internet access or resource sharing. In additional note, this topology demonstrate a hybrid network setup combined wired and wireless segmentation. Is it, it is suitable for small to medium size of office, allowing efficient communication between devices and ensuring resources availability. And that's all for my explanation, and I hope you understand my explanation about this network design. And it's all. Thank you.